Now coming to the attachments on the humerus. Some muscles are inserted and some muscles take origin from the humerus. The muscles which are inserted on the humerus include the muscles attached to the humerus are as follows. The supraspinatus is inserted into the upper impression on the greater tubercle. Upper impression of the greater tubercle. The infraspinatus is inserted into the middle impression in the greater tubercle, and the teres minor. Teres minor is inserted into the lower impression on the greater tubercle, right? The subscapularis is inserted into the lesser tubercle. The pectoralis major is inserted into the lateral lip of the intertubercle sulcus, is inserted into lateral lip of the intertubercle sulcus. Latissimus dorsi form the floor of the bicipital groove or intertubercle sulcus, and the teres major is inserted in the medial lip of the intertubercle sulcus. The deltoid is inserted into the rough area on the middle of the medial border. The brachialis arises from the lower halves of the anteromedial and anterolateral surfaces of the shaft. The pronator teres, the humeral head of the pronator teres arises from the anteromedial surface near the lower end of the medial supracondylar ridge. Right, the extensor carpi radialis longus arises from the lower 1/3 of the lateral supracondylar ridge. The superficial flexor muscles of the forearm arises from the anterior aspect of the medial epicondyle. This origin is called the common flexor origin. Similarly, the common extensor origin for the superficial extensor muscles of the forearm is located on the anterior aspect of the lateral epicondyle. The anterior aspect of the lateral condyle. The lateral head of the triceps. Triceps muscle, as you know, the lateral arises from the oblique ridge on the upper part of the posterior surface. Upper part of the posterior surface. The medial head of the muscle arises from the posterior surface below the radial groove. The upper end of the area of the origin extends onto the anterior aspect of the shaft, right? It is about the triceps. The anconeus muscle is a muscle which arises from the posterior surface of the lateral epicondyle. Anconeus arises from the posterior surface of the lateral epicondyle. Other structures attached to the humerus are as follows. The capsular ligament of the shoulder joint is attached on the anatomical neck. The capsular ligament of the shoulder joint is attached to the anatomical neck except on the medial side where the line of attachment dips down. The line of attachment of the capsule is interrupted at the intertubercle sulcus also. The capsular ligament of the elbow joint is attached to the lower end of the bone, along a line that reaches the upper limits of the radial and coronoid fossa anteriorly. Right? The medial and lateral epicondyle ridges give attachment to the medial and lateral intermuscular septa. The medial and lateral epicondyle give attachment to the ulnar and radial collateral ligaments. These are the other attachments on the humerus. Now the ossification. Now coming to the ossification. The humerus ossifies from the one primary center and 7 secondary centers. Primary center जो होता है ना, it appears in the middle of the diaphysis during the 8th week of intrauterine life. The upper end ossifies from 3 secondary centers. एक होता है एक secondary center head के लिए, फर्स्ट ईयर में आता है. एक होता है ग्रेटर ट्यूबरकल के लिए जो सेकेंड ईयर में आता है, और एक होता है लेसर ट्यूबरकल के लिए जो 5th ईयर में आता है. ये 3 सेंटर्स फ्यूज होते हैं ड्यूरिंग द 6th ईयर. ये आपस में फ्यूज होते हैं एंड देन शेफ्ट के साथ ही ड्यूरिंग 20th ईयर फ्यूज होते हैं. जो लोअर एंड है ना, ये ऑसिफाई करता है फ्रॉम 4 सेंटर्स विच फॉर्म 2 एपिफिसेस. द सेंटर्स इंक्लूड, एक तो होता है कैपिचुलम के लिए, एक लेटरल फ्लैंज के लिए ऑफ ट्रोक्लिया जो फर्स्ट ईयर में आता है, एक होता है मीडियल फ्लैंज ऑफ द ट्रोक्लिया जो 9th ईयर में आता है, और एक होता है लेटरल एपिकॉन्डाइल के लिए जो 12th ईयर में आता है। ये तीनों फ्यूज करते हैं 14th ईयर पे, और जो टू फॉर्म द कंपाउंड एपिफिसिस, और जो फिर शाफ्ट के साथ फ्यूज होता है 16 ईयर्स पे। ठीक है। नो द एपिकॉन्डाइल के लिए जो सेंटर होता है, सेकेंडरी सेंटर होता है, वो ड्यूरिंग 4 to 6 ईयर्स आता है, और ये एक सेपरेट एपिफिसिस फॉर्म करता है एंड फ्यूजेस विद द शाफ्ट ड्यूरिंग द 20th year. This is all about the humerus. Hope you liked the video, and stay home, stay safe.